Hi, I'm Sean, and this is my submission for Augmented Reality in Trinity College. What's happening here is that the drawings which I've entered into the Vuforia database are being detected in real time using natural feature recognition. A texture is being extracted from the camera feed and it's being applied to the 3D model, which can be scaled, moved around, and I purposely recorded this video in artificial lighting conditions on a non-Lambert surface because that's probably what my app struggles with the most, and it's fair to show the strengths and weaknesses. This is showing the real-time coloring, so you can, as long as not too many features are included, you can color in and see the color changes in real time. You can improve the tracking by adding a border to the image or maybe some tufts of grass and things like that, which don't contribute to the texture. So this is the sphere that also works. The idea of this is that you draw a map inside of the box and then it's mapped onto a globe, and the globe rotates around and you can change the size of it. Again, here it is on a hand-painted version, not digitally painted. Both work. And this is just to show off some of the occlusion management. So for a very small few frames, the pose is estimated wrong sometimes, but it fixes that fairly fast and it looks pretty good. And again, it didn't get confused between the other version I had in the scene. And then I'd like to just show moving around the duck so that the texture can be seen from all sides. At the very back, there is a bit of, that was a bug in the recording software, sorry. At the very back, there's a slight split sometimes, just because of guessing what should be there. And if the texture goes out of view, it's not correctly mapped onto the character, which is a slight limitation at the moment. But thanks very much for watching.